And look, a third harvest for these collards. I can't wait to get these in the kitchen. They are ready. Let's get started harvesting. Hello everyone, I'm Kimberly and welcome to Garden to Table with Kimberly. This is what I call functional gardening, growing what you actually eat right in your own backyard. Today we're going to take a tour. Let's get started. We are at the third harvest and they are officially in the producing stage, just continuing to give and give. They're looking really good. Real things do happen in the garden, and yes, there have been a few cabbage worms trying to enjoy them too, but that's part of it. You stay on top of it, clean your leaves well, and keep it moving. Still beautiful, still edible. And right here, the salad grow bags are ready to harvest. We've got spinach, lettuce, and arugula all growing together. Fresh salad straight from the garden. Now, look at this cabbage. It's getting big. And yes, I started this from one seed. Take a look at it. Over here, the purple top turnips in the grow bags are really taking off. Look at that growth. And right next to them, check out the onions. These green tops are growing nice and tall, which is exactly what you want to see. They are steadily sizing up underground. Now take a look at this square raised bed. We've got squash and zucchini coming up, plus sunflowers and a psyllium in the front. Everything is still in the seedling stage, but it's coming along beautifully. Let's walk over to the sugar daddy snap peas. They are doing amazing, climbing up the trellis and already flowering. And now I am super proud of this cucumber trellis. The cucumber plants are still seedlings, but they're starting to grow strong. This is their time. I also planted flowers nearby to help with pollination. Take a look. This trellis is going to be beautiful as these cucumber plants continue to grow tall. Now let's take a look at the potatoes. They're flowering. That's a great sign. They're not ready to harvest just yet, but they're growing very well. I planted those seed potatoes about 4 inches down. Now take a look at them. This is what is called functional gardening. Real food, fresh food, and continuous harvest. And look, a third harvest for these collards. I can't wait to get these in the kitchen. They are ready. Let's get started harvesting. So I'm super excited about harvesting the salad bags. In these grow bags is a mixture of lettuce, arugula, and spinach, my own salad. All I gotta do now is harvest. Let's get started. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time on Garden to Table with Kimberly. Bye.